So I've got a 3D printed holster here that's designed to work with this Powertac E5 flashlight, and it's entirely 3D printed except for the pin and the spring. And I'm going to install it on these Duluth Trading suspenders. It's going to be on this 1.5 inch wide suspender. It's carried vertically. The flashlight is carried vertically down onto the clip here. And so I'll get started assembling it. It just takes these, this is the back side of the plate, it's serrated on there, same as that. And it just clamps onto the suspenders with these number 2 by 56 threads screws. These are stainless steel. I've ordered some acorn nuts to replace these open nuts to eliminate the sharp edges, but they haven't come in yet. But until they do, I'll just go ahead and use it with the makeshift nuts that I have here. But the acorn nuts would entirely close the threads here and eliminate any sharp edges. And this can be worn on the right side or the left side, above or below the adjuster. And I might change it around. I just want to see what's most comfortable and convenient. On the back here, these screws are button head, and I'm using an 050 Allen key on those. And so I'm going to want it kind of high up. Here's the buckle here. And I guess I'll put it a little lower, put it maybe right in there. So you can't slide it around a little and cinch it down. And so in this case, I want it on the right side so the button is more accessible, but I think it would work either way. There's the entire setup there. It'll be held vertically. Again, it's for the Duluth Trading 1.5 inch side mount suspenders.